Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 4 till the 10th of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cancer. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. We have the Magician. Somebody here is manifesting something here in the situation, or they might be trying to manipulate the situation into something that it's not. Let's clarify the Magician as their feelings for you. So I have the Seven of Cups and the High Priestess and the Knight of Cups. This is someone who feels like there's a lot of confusion here in the situation between you and them. There's lack of clarity or lack of communication or miscommunication happening between you guys. And this person is feeling like they should manifest clarity in the situation. And if you guys are meant to be together and if the situation is meant to go somewhere, this person is feeling like they should get the proper understanding and clarity of where it is going and when it is going to happen. So they feel like if you and them are meant to be with each other, they are manifesting this energy of you going towards them with some kind of proper clarity and understanding of what is happening and what's going to happen next. If you love them, you have to go towards them. If you don't, then they are manifesting other options in their life so that they can move forward. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Ten of Wands, you feel like dropping some kind of heavy and burden, some kind of situation out of your life, out of your system. Maybe somebody is asking for too much and you're not able to provide that, and or you guys are right now not in the mood of taking anything or anyone so seriously. Okay, so you feel like dropping a burdensome and heavy kind of energy out of your system. Let's clarify the Ten of Wands as your feelings for this particular person or situation, honey. So I have the Ten of Wands, the Sun card, and the Five of Cups. You feel like freedom is much more valuable to you right now rather than a relationship that's weighing you down, that's keeping you always stuck, that's keeping you always in some kind of burdensome and heavy kind of energy. So you guys feel like right now you should focus on your own happiness. Yeah, right now you should stick to the reality and the truth of a situation instead of creating stories and scenarios in your head that are not true. You should stay focused on the reality and the truth of the situation, that it is heavy, it is burdensome, and you feel like right now you should be focused on your own happiness. Even if from inside you're not very happy, you're not very much at peace regarding the situation, you feel like choosing your own happiness over the situation, over this bond, is the right thing to do, at least for the time being. Because even if it sucks, even if you are feeling sad about it, right now you should focus on your individual happiness and stick to the reality and truth of the situation rather than being in any kind of illusion or delusion. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Three of Pentacles. This person wants to put in the effort and energy in this situation, but they want equal interest and investment from your side too. They might be looking out for the possibility of maybe taking help from somebody else also, so that you guys can come on the same page. If you guys are already married or committed to each other, maybe they are looking for couples therapy or something, but they are open to the idea of taking help from somebody in order to make something work out. At the same time, this person wants equal investment and interest from your side also. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles as their intentions for this particular situation, Cancer. I have the Ten of Pentacles and the Page of Swords and the World card. They want something long term, they want something stable, but they want to keep themselves at a safe distance from the situation, from you, from this bond, until unless all the previous cycles are going to be completely closed, all the chapters are going to be closed, and you guys are going to start fresh. Now all the chapters can be other people, it can be like the situations that you guys have gone through. It's like this, what this person wants fresh start, a clean slate, with the help of maybe a counselor or healer or somebody who can guide you guys. But they want equal investment and interest from your side too. Otherwise definitely things are not going to work out, even if they want to make them work out. They want you to participate equally in the situation, and if you are not capable of that, they are looking forward to end this chapter with you. But for the time being, they want equal investment and interest from your side. So the and to close all the chapters, all the previous chapters, so that you guys can start from like clean slate, a fresh start. This is what they want. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Four of Cups. You just want to get out of this disappointment that you're getting over and over and over again and again in this department of your life. You just want to choose the right person that you want to be with. There are options around you, but those options are not making you happy, and the option that you want might not be here. So you just want that person, that specific person or specific kind of person in your life, and get over the disappointments that you're getting again and again in this department. Let's clarify the Four of Cups as your intentions for this particular person or situation, Cancer. We have the Three of Wands and the Three of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. You're looking forward to have this energy of either leaving something or someone behind to be with the specific person or specific kind of person, or you might be waiting for somebody to leave something or someone behind to be with you, because right now they might not be able to choose you like fully. Right now they might not be able to invest equally in the situation between you and them. Hmm? Take it how it resonates with you. Either you have to leave something or someone behind in order to be with somebody, or in order to be with a specific kind of person, and or the vice versa is true. So what you want here is you want a specific person or a specific kind of person in your life, but for that thing to happen there is a compromise needed, there is some kind of sacrifice required, and you just want to wait for the right time, and that is going to happen in your 3D world, when somebody will be able to choose you or you will be able to choose somebody loud and clear. There's not going to be any kind of ifs and buts or confusion or this or that. Okay. Cool. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 10th of May, Cancer. We have the Page of Swords. It's like you guys watching somebody from a distance. There is physical distance, emotional distance between you and this particular person, but there is a sense of curiosity. There is a sense of a little bit of stalking, like what the other person is up to and all that. Let's clarify the Page of Swords as a potential outcome for you guys. We have the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Judgment. Yeah, you guys are trying your best to keep your life as alive, as happy go lucky, as connected to your heart and soul as you can. And at the same time, you guys are in this energy of releasing something or someone out of your system, but watching this person, the situation from a distance. So right now this is a conscious choice of yours to keep yourself at a safe distance from this particular person and situation, and making it a point of your life to live your life to the fullest, like experimenting experiences, adventures, keeping your heart open to the idea of having fun in your life and living your life as much as you can from your side, and being in this energy of let go and let God, let the universe decide what's good for me, what's not good for me, but keeping an eye on something or someone from a distance. I think it's happening from both the sides, the person you are attached to and them also watching you from a distance, but none of you doing anything about it, just seeing each other, what they are up to, what the other person is up to, but not doing anything about it. And you are especially making it a point of your life, making it a goal of your life to live your life to the fullest, not to stop for anything or anyone, because you got only one life and you just want to make sure you are going to live it fully. Okay, at least this week, if not the whole life. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Cancer, for this week. the Hanged Man, the Empress, and the Three of Swords. Make sure this living your life to the fullest is coming out of your heart and soul, and not coming out of a heartbreak and pain that you're continuously living with in your within yourself. Make sure you're not doing like, I'm going to live my life to the fullest because you're heartbroken and hurt, and you're doing it because you really feel like doing it, just to ignore the pain, just to avoid the pain, just to make it look like, okay, you're living your life to the fullest and this is how growth and expansion happens. You might be trying to think that you're happy, if even if you're not. Try to see things from a totally different perspective, Cancer. Try to take growth and expansion, like try to take heartbreak, hurt, and pain as a part of your growth and expansion. No person on this earth is free from heartbreak and painful experiences. No, might be not always romantic, but every one of us have to go through these kind of experiences in our lives, which means this is a part of our life as happiness is, which means you cannot ignore or avoid this part. Okay, so if you are trying to live your life to the fullest and trying to be happy forcibly, just so that you are going to avoid or ignore the pain or heartbreak that you're going through, it's not going to lead to any kind of growth and expansion. It's actually the reverse. If you are going to face the pain, if you're going to sit with the pain and allow this pain to pass through you, then you're going to have the real growth and expansion and happiness that you deserve and that you want, Cancer. Make sure you're not doing it just for the sake of doing it. This, oh, let me live my life to the fullest thing. You're making a fool out of yourself then. I don't think so you need another lecture, but this is what I have for you. Let me know. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate, Cancer. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And what else? If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as a guidance for this particular situation. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the answer to your question is reconsider. Reconsider means this card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you're currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.